Hey everybody, Dr. Dennis Ciccone here. I'm so excited to be speaking with you. I am the owner of Ciccone Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center and wanted to share some exciting news in regards to our weight loss program and how that has been working for me and my family. Many of you who I work with virtually don't know this, but I have struggled with weight most of my life, so I can relate to many of those issues that patients struggle with. I have tried many different programs that have proven to be unsuccessful, and my wife also um, has went through that journey with me. We have tried things that were successful, but either they were not sustainable, or we gained the weight back, or we would hit a plateau along the way. So those were challenges, but I do want to encourage you about our program today that as of today, my wife Joanne and I have lost a combined weight of 50 pounds, and we're continuing to make progress. And this is only 2 months into our program of working together. Um, there are some restrictions in foods that we do miss eating, but certainly the results are speaking for themselves, and we're getting results along the way, which is encouraging. The thing that I love about this program is it teaches your body how to work properly physiologically. So as you proceed, you are actually introducing in more and more and more foods as your body's able to do that and your metabolism improves. So it's exciting because once you hit certain places, you're able to add new foods in, and it becomes exciting like it's the first time eating it because you haven't eaten it in so long. So that's really exciting stuff. I want to share a non-scale victory for those of you who do struggle with weight because you'll be able to relate to this. But last year, my son and I, we purchased a season pass to a local Six Flags, and we would go on the rides. And every time I would go to get on a couple of the roller coasters, either it was difficult to do the seatbelt buckle, or somebody from the ride had to come push down the lever because the machine wasn't registering that it was locked securely enough. So that was beyond embarrassing. And almost to the point that if I had continued gaining weight, I may have been one of those patient or people that when they went to do the ride, they had to tell me that I didn't fit on, I had to get off. So that was last season. Since then, I had done the weight loss plan, and my son Dominic and I have went back once, and I was able to go on all of the rides except for one without having a slight push down on the bar. And this weekend we're going. I'm 10 pounds lighter than I was then, so I'm sure everything will be awesome. So for those of you that have struggled with those things or are concerned, this was one of my huge fears, and now I am confident and excited to go this weekend with my son and be able to enjoy that and know that that's not going to be a problem. That food is no longer having control over those things in my life, and I'm able to do those things. The other thing I love about this program is that it really focuses on thoughts, traumas, and toxins. So again, I'll say that one more time: thoughts, traumas, and toxins. And the reason these are so important is these are the things that lead to disease and lead to inflammation in your body. So what this program does is it's really going to give you those steps to help remove those things and start your body towards a healing process. For many of you, you know that we do a lot of testing in our office, and that's how we figure out the best plan of action for you. This program's a little bit different in that it doesn't involve testing. It involves working with certain foods and then seeing how your body responds. So it's more cost effective in the sense that there's less testing. But we do always have testing available if for whatever reason you're struggling or we need additional support on those things. Back to the thoughts, traumas, toxins. Think about the thoughts, for example. One of the things we struggle with is what we say to ourselves, our accountability, our follow through. That's why programs like Weight Watchers are so successful, because of the weekly check in. In this program, you're going to purchase a scale, and that scale is actually going to be linked to your coach so that every day when you check in on your scale, they're going to know what that scale is looking like. That's exciting for you because you're able to see those changes on a daily basis. And when I tell you a daily basis, when you're making your right decisions, you're going to see the scale drop. It might be zero point 0.2 pounds, it might be zero point 0.4, it might be the same, but it's not going to be going up as long as you're making the right choices and we haven't missed anything. If you do make a bad choice, you're going to see the scale go up. So it gives you instant results when there's a food that's inflammatory or you're struggling with, and you see a response. And then from the coach side, they're going to see if you are doing your scale, if you're not doing your scale, if the scale goes up, and they're going to catch things with you immediately so that you don't get off track. I heard this once. They say when a plane is flying from Boston to Los Angeles, it is off track about 90% of the trip. But what they do is they course correct the entire way, and that's how they get to the end. So that's what this program does, is it has the accountability of course correction whenever you're struggling with something like that. So just the accountability alone helps you to get success. The program is guaranteed, so you're guaranteed to lose 20 to 50 pounds as you go through. Me and my wife both lost close to the guaranteed weight within the first 40 days. So again, you have 90 days to hit that. We'll be well beyond that by the end of the program. So again, that's exciting. But thoughts can be the biggest thing that we see struggle with patients. It affects hormones, it affects mindset, it affects follow through. So not only are you going to have the scale, you're going to have coaching, you're going to have support, you're going to have our Facebook support group. All of those pieces add to the success of the program. Let's see. The other one is toxins. So you're going to be eating healthier. You're going to be eating cleaner. You're going to be getting healthy things into your body. So you're going to be working on that side. And then trauma. It doesn't significantly affect trauma in such that a chiropractor would affect it, or a massage therapist where we're working on the muscles. But what it does do is the food and the diet is non-inflammatory. So if you do have any joint pain or discomfort or those types of things, it's not going to be a surprise if some of those things change, because now you are on a non-inflammatory diet. You're working on those foods. Again, you're working on your coach with your coach, and you're getting better and better results as you go. So again, that's all I really have to say about the program. I'm so excited for you to start this journey. Like I said, I've tried so many things, and as a practitioner over 16 years, I've tried a lot. I've seen a lot. I've worked with a lot of different practitioners. I have never seen a program that is this comprehensive, with the guarantee that gets results as fast as this, in a realistic manner that is sustainable with a long-term plan, with an exit strategy that supports you so that you can continue to do this long term. So I'm so excited for you to start this journey. And if you have any questions, we're here to support you, and really excited to see you on the other side. Have a great day.